students, today I will start the next concept, chromosomal theory of inheritance. Already you know the meaning of inheritance. It means the transmission of characters from one generation to the another generation, that you have to call as the inheritance or heredity. And then these are always stable units that you have to call as the factors. Nowadays this factor is called as the genes. It means all the characters are controlled with the help of genes. And then after that Mendel published his work in the year of 1865, but for the several reasons he did not recognize his work till 1900. Such a reasons are: first one is the communication is not easy to understanding the people, and second reason goes to here the genes are always stable, it having the smaller units, and then these are always control the characters, also express the characters, and then it also having the pair of alleles, it did not mix with each other. It means it also having the pair of alleles, it did not blend with or mix with the another character. Whenever it did not the mix with the characters, it can't express their new characters. And then next one reason is he using some mathematical aspects with the help of biological phenomena, it gives new aspects. It is also one of the reason for the unrecognitions of Mendel's experiment. Reason goes to he suggested some of the factors are separated units. He could not provide any physical proofs for the existence of factors. It means he explained the some of the characters, such as contrasting characters, did not express their physical aspects. Hence, it could not help for the recognition of new physical aspects. And whenever he complete their experiment, and then it is rediscovered with the help of such a scientists are D. Varis, Corons and Simarks in the year of 1900. And by the time whenever he introduced the microscope and observe under the all the cells, and it also shows the cell division. It means already you know the cell division, it having a different type of concepts such as mitosis and meiosis. It shows the different structure of nucleus and how to looks like a different cells, and it is looks like an doubled or dividable, and before the cell division how to chromosomes are looks like shown in the microscope. And after that in the year of 1902 the chromosomal movements are also shown during the process of meiosis is also works under in the year of 1902. And after that, and some other scientists such as Walter Sulton and Boveri also noted that the how to chromosomes are behavior equals to that of the behavior of genes. It means the chromosomes are how to act with the help of genes, and it also equals to chromosomes and genes express their characters, and it also express their chromosomal movement. It means it also having both the chromosomes or genes were found in the pair in diploid cells. It means diploid cells is also having both the chromosomes and genes and located in the same region, and it also pair in number. Two alleles of gene pairs is also located in the homologous sites on homologous chromosomes. We have to consider homologous chromosomes means equal size of the chromosomes located. Both the pair of alleles or gene pairs are located in the same region or same site of the homologous chromosomes. These homologous chromosomes and gene pairs are always separated during the meiosis process. And this is a picture of that meiosis and germ cell formation in a cell with the 4 chromosomes. How to 4 chromosomes are produced during this meiosis process. Already you know this cell division, it having a different phases such as G1 phase, G2 phase, synthetic phase, and mitosis and meiosis process. Here you have to consider G1 phase and G2 phase. In meiosis, first anaphase phase and anaphase, and meiosis to anaphase 2 phase. After that you have to produce the germ cells. Here, whenever the pair of homologous chromosomes undergo meiosis process and these are segregate, and it produces the new germ cells. And after that you have to consider a paired conditions of both the chromosomes and genes were restored during the fertilization. It means these two paired chromosomes are located in the same regions, and during the fertilization process again it restored in the homologous regions during the fertilization process. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. Whenever it undergo fertilization process, these two are paired in condition, and these are considering both chromosomes and genes. After that, this theory was states that Sutton and Boveri, the pairing and separation of pair of chromosomes leads to segregation of pair of factors is also carried. It means segregation processes always takes with the help of pair of factors or pair of genes. It also having the pairing of separation of pair of chromosomes. It means separation is also takes with the help of pair of chromosomes. And lastly, the Mendel genes are located on the chromosomes. It is an chromosome that segregate independently assort during the cell divisions. It means according to Mendel, the chromosomes are whenever located in the region, these chromosomes are separated and with the help of or independently assort or join during the cell division or arranged with the help of the cell division.